I suppose we just made a couple of changes to how things were going, and we put Steve Murphy midfield, where I suppose that's probably his better position, and he's always been a very good midfielder for us, so I think that worked out. And Daniel Meany, he's a Trojan work for us all the time, and put him wing forward, he can make runs up and down the pitch, and I think that helped us a lot.
You scored 7 points, I think 6 in the second and 1 in the first, but all 6 starting forwards scored, and you had plenty of other support, I suppose, from midfield. So it must be great, because I suppose in fairness to Carricktool, they were reliant on Liam Gosnell an awful lot for their scores. Once you shut that avenue down, they ran out of options, I thought.
Yeah, that was another thing the lads said in the dressing room. We conceded 1-5 from frees in the first half, and I think all our scores were from play from the first half, and it's something we've been trying to improve all year, because during the league we've been struggling to get scores, but to see everyone score and all the midfielders contributing was a big plus, I think.
Now through to round 3, which will happen a little bit later on in the summer, and taking one step, and it is only the first step back towards the final that you came up short in, I suppose, last year. Will there be a bit of a mission unaccomplished, I suppose, a bit of business still to deal with to try and get back to the final this time?
Yeah, last year was gut wrenching out, to be fair, and obviously the main aim is to win the county every year, and the only way we're going to achieve that is by going one step further. So the only improvement we see for ourselves as a team is to win the county this year, as opposed to getting to the county final last year. So that's our goal.
All right, well done today, great performance.
Thanks a million.